Past couple of days, we have had a great time in Greece. Lovely cruises, basking in the sun, and of course, spending time at these beautiful locations. Today, we are heading to Aegean, a beautiful, picture-perfect vacation, I would say. This apparently is the market square, and literally lost in this picturesque village. At every step reveals a breathtaking. Apparently sunset 8:30. It's been 2 hours. First blue dome, and I'm also wearing white outfit. The iconic blue dome churches stood out against the whitewashed houses, creating a visual symphony of blue and white. And of course, wandered through the cobblestone bylanes, taking in the charm of this cyclic journey. Every corner revealed a new treasure, a new moment to cherish. The square in front of this beautiful church provided an ideal place for clicking a lot of pictures. It's a beautiful setting, blue sky, blue sea, and of course the whitewashed buildings. And the cliffs there at the far end provided a beautiful setting. And everything that you see here in my video is exactly as I saw it, made with you, my viewer, in mind. So it's as if you were walking these streets and you were seeing it yourself. We continued walking. It's like a carnival atmosphere there. Lots of nice music, and of course, the smell of some great food. Large number of people all over, coming from all sides. And of course, everyone eagerly waiting for the sunset, which of course happens pretty late here, about 8:30, 8:45. And as I said, people all around. It's a great feeling, I must say. Of course, there are kilo shops all around selling wonderful stuff, including clothing, and everything has this blue and white hue around. As the sun began to set, the sky transformed into a kaleidoscope of colors. The caldera's majestic backdrop provided the perfect setting for nature's grand spectacle. And as the night fell, it was time to bid farewell to Ia and head back. But the memories of this enchanting village will stay with us forever. How could we leave this place without enjoying some delicious Greek food? And we walk in here, which looks like an authentic Greek restaurant. Of course, we had a booking earlier. And there you see people all around, downhill, hill, plenty of restaurants, all of them packed. Great feeling, and what a perfect ending to a beautiful holiday. Tomorrow, as we get to the airport, I'll show you more from there. Until then, good night. It's now time to say goodbye to Santorini, and we are checking in. Soon be boarding. If you liked everything you saw, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Goodbye time at Greece
Goodbye, time
from Santorini.
of the most beautiful island
Have a great time
ever.
here for 5 days of fun, sun, and look at how sandy it is. Until next time,
Have a great time. Come to Santorini.
bye bye.